Being presentable obviously means more to me than being bald-headed.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. I'm headed out to go take my birthday pictures. I had to, get the hair right, get the makeup right. I didn't film the makeup because y'all know I'm a basic bitch. This is the very same look that I'm always doing. When it's time for me to go take pictures, I don't really stray away from what I don't know. And I know this look is always it for me. So this is like my comfort zone. So, I did my everyday look, jazzed the hair up a little bit. It's giving fit, it's giving body with the dress. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I did show you guys how I install my clip-ins and curl my hair and all of that good stuff. So if you guys want to see more videos like this with me featuring clip-ins or just different ways that I style my natural hair, make sure you leave it down below in the comment section, and we'll go ahead and get to the next slide so we can get this video started. I'm about to go take my birthday photos for my 29th birthday. So I figured, because it's very rare that I do my hair on camera, that I would show you guys my clip-in installation for my hair. Please don't ask me how long I've been natural. I don't know. Growing up, my mom kept my hair in braids, cornrows, micro braids, crochet, whatever you could think of. My mom kept my hair braided down. It was not her decision for me to go natural, but I used to play in my hair a lot when I was younger. I started getting sew-ins, and that damaged my hair as well because I was leaving it out. But also, I'm the type of person where, like, whenever I do my hair, if my hair is not in place, I will put heat in it, because being presentable obviously means more to me than being bald-headed. So I'm gonna just walk y'all through the process of how I install my clip-ins. Let's pray that I don't get burnt, because I have like my straightener, my edge, the thing for my little flat iron for my edges, and my wand curl turned on, and it's not that much space in here, well, on my table should I say, for me to be doing all of this. So if you watching this, say a prayer for me. If y'all don't ever get the end of this video, then we know why. It's because I got burnt. Now that I kind of have the format of how my clips are going to lay, I'm going to turn around and show you guys the process. So these are my clip-ins. Of course, they're from my baby Bon Vivant tresses. I actually made this with bundles. This is the Duchess Deep Curl set. Straightened them probably like 2 days ago, so I need to separate them according to how I'm going to install them in my hair, and then we will get started. One of the main tricks that I learned to making clip-ins work, because when I used to wear these clip-ins like just straight curly and they would slip out of my head, I had no idea why they weren't working. It's because you're supposed to teach your damn hair. This video is going to be quick because it's extremely repetitive, and then I'll just jump back into the styling portion, but I definitely want to show you guys how I tease and attach the clip-ins. So please don't be judging the back of my head because I don't know what it looks like. So what I like to do is grab the ends of the hair and just push it down. Give the clip-in something to stick to.
I did not notice this malfunction until I started actually editing. So yeah. Like I said, this process is super repetitive. So all I'm doing is just parting, teasing, clipping. I'm gonna put some really nice music so you guys can watch it, and then when it's time for me to talk, your girl will talk. And in between attaching and clipping and teasing, I am using my flat iron to help blend and basically marry the clip-in with my natural hair. So yeah, hopefully this isn't too boring. And if you guys want to see more styles that I create with clip-ins, definitely let me know in the comment section below.
So now that y'all kind of seen how I attach the clip-ins to the back of my head, I'm gonna finish layering the rest of them up, and then when it comes down to the hard part, which is me, doing my bang, then I'll start back talking to y'all.
As I said like a million times in this video, clip-ins are hella repetitive as far as explaining it, but I definitely had to get on camera and tell you guys the most important part, especially when you're wearing a deep side part or you are someone who likes to, you know, do that playful look with your hair where you kind of like, you know, run your fingers through it. You don't want nobody to see tracks because then, girl, you'll be exposing yourself. So placement is key. Whenever you are doing a deep side part, you definitely want to make sure that you move the clip-in back just a little bit further from where your edges are at. So it's kind of like a little bit of leave out at the front. You guys will see in this next clip when I push it back, you can't even tell that I have clip-ins in because of how good my hair lays when I'm like, you know, tucking it behind my ears. So make sure you guys are leaving enough leave out and space for that so it gives a more natural appearance. And that clip-in that I placed on that last side to finish off the smaller section of the deep side part was just a half a clip, so I'm going to use another clip-in to kind of complete it so that way it looks full. I do not like when I see like a sew-in or people have clip-ins and the hair looks uneven because they have too much on one side. You definitely want to make sure that you're balancing it out again so that way it gives the look of a natural appearance. And then also, I didn't mention this in any of the other clips, I don't tease all of my hair because it is a pain in the ass to get those tangles out of your hair. So what I like to do is just tease only the sections where there's a clip at. So that way, obviously the track stays locked in the hair, but I'm not like, you know, messing up all of my hair trying to get these clip-ins to lay. For the bang, I don't really care about putting it close to my edges because of course the bang is going to be covering it. I'll never have a reason to push my bang back, so it's okay if you clip a little bit closer to your edges. Just obviously make sure you're being careful. And in between me attaching the clip, you guys are gonna see me using my flat iron to basically flatten out the hair a little bit more so everything does blend a lot more seamlessly with the clip-ins in my hair. Another good trick, you guys are going to see me do this when I start to actually wand curl the hair. If you want your hair to marry to the clip-in, make sure you are using some type of wax and putting it on the hair and the clip-in, so when you run a flat iron through it, everything just silks out together. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me finish stacking the bang, and then I'm going to run the flat iron through my hair before I start to curl it, and I will hop back on audio when it's time for me to explain how I lay my edges. Okay, so I lied. I didn't realize that I wand curled my hair before I did my edges. So this is what I was talking about when I said you use a wax stick and you marry your hair with the clip-in so that way everything kind of just blends together. So I'm using my bedhead wand curler. I have had this wand curler probably longer than I've had this channel. I don't know if they still make them available, but you can pretty much go into any Ulta, any Walmart, Target, any place that sells curling tools and get you a wand. Don't know the inch. If I had to guess, I would say it would probably be an inch or an inch and a half barrel. So yeah, I just wanted some very light waves in my hair. I wasn't going for a super overly curly look. I just wanted to give the girls a quick little tousle, something very light and airy and sexy. So yeah.
All right, y'all, so the curls are done. And all I'm doing is just finger combing them out. So just a decent little wave.
So before I do anything to my hair, I like to use the wax stick so that way I can kind of press them out. And I am using this mini flat iron after I spray my heat protectant. don't know who these are by, but I will have it down below in the description box. Make sure you guys are checking the description because that's where I put all the products. And then I use some Got To Be spray, Got To Be glued spray, and I just spray my edge brush and then literally just manipulate the edges to go in the direction in which I want them to go in. Learned this trick from Arrogant Tay's masterclass on his wig, so I figure if it's good enough for frontal edges, it's good enough for my real edges. And that is how I do my clip-in, sis. Last remarks.
This is the hair, and once I'm done doing my makeup, I'll be back on camera so you guys can see the full look come together. And of course, I will make sure that I insert some of my birthday photos in this video. What I think I'm gonna use to kind of hold the form of some of the curls is some flexi rods. I don't think y'all need to see that because I'm not even good at doing flexi rods, but I need something to kind of hold the curl just a little bit while I do my makeup. So yeah, I'll be back when the makeup is done. So this is the final look, you guys. My hair is done. The curls have dropped. I did it off camera. I don't know, y'all, because honestly, I don't know if I put the flexi rods in my hair on camera. If I didn't, I basically flexi rodded this hair while I was doing my makeup, just so that the curls have some type of hold to it. And I really love like this very just loose type of wave and curl that my hair has. So I'm gonna head out, go take these pictures, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you all in my next video.